Action!
Hello, the crowd. It's kind of nice here. Let's go get our other stuff. Yeah. Bye, crowd.
Before I can get to it.
And it was a hard time getting that wagon across the prairie. We had wild animals, ruts, mud, horses that wouldn't cooperate.
Oh no, it's falling over. The table's falling over. You're pulling it, not pushing it. Push! No, I live here, but push. Let's camp around the camp. Nancy, what about the fire?
We're gonna get it.
Okay. Come on.
You get it. You start the fire when you get to your camp. Keep going.
Pictures of us.
They're riding into the sunset.
The sunrise. Hello, Simon.
From the east to the west.
From the east to the western man.
Their covered wagon is falling apart as they go. Just like the real Indians.
Well, they did not push it. The basket fell. Uh-oh. Now what are y'all doing at my house? We're not doing anything with you. This is a mighty fine place that I found out when I was living here. Well, you're kind of weird. Hi, nice to meet you. Yeah, nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you. No, let's go. You're not Get.
I think that the cowboy is supposed to invite him to be by the fire.
Watch out, Arm Wiper. This is my place. What are y'all doing in my nice place? You want to fight?
Where did the sun
Let's fight.
In the cowboy? I don't know.
Well, nice to meet ya. You want to fight? Let's go right up in sunset. Come on. Right up in sunset. No. Go. No, we have to ride off it that way. Yeah, you ride off that way. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We have to pull our wagon. Let me go.
That wagon is looking hot.
And Chief Big Wampum Fire Stick has no fire sticks in the fire.
I would say this is a success.
This is my place now. I took it over.
They've decided to leave the wagon and continue on without it. Watch out, there's a prairie dog. I see it right there. Prairie dog.
Chief Wampum Fire Stick is here. Big fire.
We have on fire. We lost them little Indians. Oh!
Alright, back up from the fire.
She got hit in the head.
Who did?
Janie did.
Oh.
Oh, wow. It's taken off.
And there was fire.
And that's the end of the show. Ta-da! The cowboy. No, it's not.
What's the end?